Hey guys, it's me Dina, and I just wanted to show you a view of Hong Kong. I don't know if you can hear me, but just check out the vibrancy of this city. I'm in the main heart of Hong Kong called Tsim Sha Tsui, and standing outside the entrance of the Holiday Inn Hotel. This is the hub of the city, and just see how exciting and dazzling the city is. There's just people galore and lights and major excitement and people running to and fro. That's the end, the marina's at the end there, and I'm definitely going to be taking a film clip of that for you guys to see. Just notice the lights and the advertising. This actually used to be the Hyatt Hotel, but they've broken it down and they're now constructing yet another mall in Hong Kong. You can see the traffic. They're beautifying Hong Kong by adding palm trees in the middle of the streets. Very nice touch. And they've actually changed the roads, made them wider and added granite to them. I hope you can hear me because it's actually quite noisy, I'm sure. But this is life in Hong Kong. In every corner you're going to see lights, jewelry shops, electronic shops. It's madness, but it's madness that I called home. Some of the shops. Here you see jewelry shops selling watches and jewelry, more jewelry shops, and then we have what Hong Kong's known for, electronics, selling all sorts of cameras, electronics. Then we have a Chinese pharmacy that sells all sorts of Chinese herbs and potions and dried scallops, cashew nuts, dried shrimp. I have no idea what those are. Mushrooms. But it's really an exciting place where you get all sorts of cultures. More jewelry. People. There's a shop selling Hong Kong bits and pieces, silk, smoking jackets, I Love Hong Kong t-shirts. All this is on the main stretch of Nathan Road.